Hi everybody, this is Mandy with Mandy's Adventures. Well, today's adventure brings me on Indiana Street here in the beautiful small town of Chinook, Montana. So this weekend on November 9th and 10th from 10 to 4 there is a special open holiday house or holiday open house happening. Do you know where it's happening at? I'll give you a clue. It's my favorite shop. Yeah, it's Chu'gn Floral. Oh my gosh, I myself along with many others love this time of year. Actually, I love it all times of year because Chu'gn Floral, I mean, those girls work so hard there. Anyway, there is so much to do. There is so much to see. I have been in there and there is a lot of new things that I have never seen before. I am so excited. So I'm gonna take you in there. I'm gonna meet with Tommy and the girls and they're gonna show us around. I'm gonna show you a little bit around, but I'm telling ya, you have to come this weekend on November 9th and 10th to see it for yourself because it is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Seriously, no exaggeration. It is absolutely lovely and I could live in there. Seriously, I could stay there. And anyway, enough of that. I'm going to take you inside Chu'gn Floral and we are going to meet with Tommy and she is going to tell us all about it. Let's go on the adventure together.
My name is Tommy Simonson, and I'm the owner of Shores Floral. And we're doing our annual holiday open house both Saturday and Sunday this weekend, 10 to 4, both days. We will have refreshments and lots of food, giveaways, door prizes. It's just a grand weekend, and it's a great weekend to get out and enjoy your holiday shopping. And so bring a friend, grab some treats, and enjoy the holiday weekend with us. This is our new theme that we're introducing this year that we fell in love with at market. It's kind of like a Western buffalo lodge theme. So you've got the buffalo, the cowboy boots, a little more rustic, but it's got a really pretty modern twist. And it's got a lot of like lodge settings. So we've just created this really pretty scene here with the skis, like kind of like you're coming into the ski lodge out in the mountains of Montana. And this is kind of the decor and the feel that you will find. It's one of our favorite highlights for this weekend.
And don't forget to come and say hi to Louie. He's gonna be the dog greeter, and he's always here, right, Lou?
All right, this was expected to be the biggest trend for 2024. Another one that we just fell in love with, the more natural theme, is just getting bigger and bigger every year, and we predict it'll just continue to grow. So you got a lot of creams and this like sage green in this tree, and a lot of like pretty trees, and the mushrooms to go along with it. Another really pretty highlighted area is this one, the burgundy or like wine color is getting really popular, and again with the mushrooms, we really got quite a few of those this year just because of how popular they're getting, and they look great just about in every display. So more of this color green mixed in some gold, another modern contemporary look.
Hi, I'm Amy. I am a florist here at Shores Floral, and we have a lot of really fun baking things for you this Christmas. Lots of really fun things for you to do with your family here. We've got some nice cookie impressions, some cookie stamps. There's some cutters and a nice little plate for Santa, some beautiful mixing bowls, recipe cards. We really brought a lot of very cool baking things and kitchen things to this fun season. So you guys feel free, please take advantage of all of the beautiful fun things. So this is one of our new themes as well. Very natural looking, has a lot of mosses and earthy feels to it. Some of the creatures, obviously the cool little fireplace we have. Stayed with a lot of the earth tones. You see a lot of the woods and things coming out in this piece. Really makes you want to go hit the ski slopes.
So are we ready? Louis, are you resting before the big day this weekend? Are you resting before the big weekend? You work so hard, don't you? Yes! Oh my gosh, look at that. We're paying attention. I think Louis needs a raise.
Yeah,
He's worked too hard.
Overworked and underpaid.
And again, don't forget to say hi to Louie.
We hope you guys will come hang out with us this weekend. We're really excited and we're really proud of all of our hard work. And we're looking forward to just having a really awesome, fun weekend with everybody. And Louie is hoping you will stop by too. Clearly, he's been overworked, so you better come and give him an extra treat.